Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna revisit the New York Deli style cheesecake because we were trying a new camera. The video was really bad. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna zoom it up right now for you. Alright, so we got 4 blocks of softened cream cheese in the bowl. We have 15 graham crackers. Alright. Crushed up. And we're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. We're just going to get this all incorporated. Yeah, it's I was looking at the video the other day and I'm like, oh man, that's a bad video. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna redo it. And Gunchy, Gunchy not on the camera tonight because his heist in GTA is more important. So we have my lovely daughter Jacqueline back there helping me out today. We got our ovens already preheating at 350. We're going to bake this for an hour and we're going to let it cool. Now, a little tip that wasn't in the last one for you. There is a pan of water in the bottom. Now you can give your cheesecake a bath. It's messy. You got to wrap it in foil, make sure it don't leak. It's a little crazy. Just put a pan in the oven. Underneath it, you're good. And we're just going to press this down into the pan. My grandma, she used to be really good at the graham crackers. She'd smash them suckers up, they'd be fine. Tasty. Alright. Just give it a good press. Another little tip when you cut your cheesecake, because it likes to stick to the knife. Use dental floss, the unminted kind, just plain. That way you don't have that minty feeling when you're eating your cheesecake. But it'll cut right through and not stick. Alright, so we got our pressed in there. Alright, got my cream cheese in the bowl here. It's already softened. 4 blocks, 16 ounces. 1.5 cups of sugar. Alright. We're going to go ahead and get this mixed up. We're going to start out just on stir because I don't want to make a big mess. Until the sugar gets all incorporated in there. Now you don't want to over mix your cheesecake. It'll cause it to crack. We're going to go ahead and add in one egg at a time, but actually put 2 in there. Drop right in there. Just want to incorporate it one at a time. There's our 4 eggs. Half a cup of milk. Let me turn this on for a second so I can get the stuff off the edge for you. You don't want to do that while the mixer's running, That could be all bad. I'm just going to push it down in there. Just bear with me, folks. All right. Get this mixed in there. Gonna add about a tablespoon of vanilla extract. That's Luna. She's gonna bomb us right up there. And we're gonna go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup of flour. All purpose. Oh yeah, there we go. Stir up my sour cream here. Now, you could do this 2 ways, folks. You can put your sour cream on the top after it's baked and then rebake it, go through the whole cooling process again. I really don't like my sour cream on top of the cream cheese, on top of the cheesecake. Remember, a lot of moisture in your cheesecake, that'll make it crack. Alright, that's good enough for me there. We're going to go ahead and add in the sour cream. Alright. Classic Reaper style. Let me clean off the blade here real quick. Get all them goodies back in there. Clean off the edge of the bowl. Make sure nothing stuck on the bottom. Alright, we are good there. Give this a quick rinse, folks. Usually clean up when it's fresh. Alright? If you give me a minute, I'll be right back with you. Hey folks, welcome back. Did a little bit of cleaning there. Get this into the pan. Yeah, you can do what they call a water bath, but it's messy, time consuming. Just go like this. It's all good. Put it on the pan. Put a pan of water underneath it. Nothing like a deli style cheesecake. Alright. I've already greased my pan. Here's another little trick for you. Go around this before you put it in the oven. It helps break it away while it's cooking. And it actually prevents cracking. Got spectators over there. As you can see, there's my pan of water in there. And in goes the cheesecake. $3.50 for an hour. Alright, folks. I'll be back with you when we take that baby out of the oven. Thanks for being with us. Love you guys. Subscribe. Got our cheesecake done. It's cooling. It's almost cool now. But we're going to go ahead. We're going to top it. I like cherry cheesecake. I don't know if the guy I'm making it for is going to like cherry cheesecake. We'll learn to like it, right? Here's your basic cherry pie filling. It's actually really good. And then we'll go ahead and put this in the refrigerator to let it chill, because you want to chill your cheesecake before you serve it. I'd like to thank you folks again for hanging out with a Reaper. And thank you to my lovely daughter for doing the camera for me today. Alright. There you have it. New York style cheesecake, deli style. And you guys stay safe out there. And I'll see you next time on Cooking with a Reaper, your heavy metal chef.